nag-agree si DOJ.
That are cumbersome, protracted, and often ineffective. By conditioning
Secretary of
discharge of
Department
restitution or turnover of ill-gotten assets, prosecutors safeguard the public interest, obviate the need for parallel recovery proceedings, and balance the grant of immunity with accountability. This practice ensures that while the state secures indispensable testimony, it likewise secures tangible recovery for both government and the offended parties. Mr. Chair.
To which you agreed on, Secretary Wilson. What did you agree on?
Lahat?
Sir,
even though it is not found in the specific provision of the law.
Ayan na nan tayo. Wala sa law. Putang ina ka.
Provisions that touch upon it somehow. It is really incumbent upon us to recover as much as possible for the government in this case. And coming up with solutions such as this, asking them for restitution from the very beginning, would save us a lot of time unless we wanted to wait till the end of any litigation, which can take years before the government gets something. So that is, sir, I think that is a sound practice.
How will you do that? For example, in the case of this guy, how much are you going to ask them to restitute?
Sir, we will need a forensic accountant to look at all their contracts, to be able to look at what was illegally acquired, so that we can ask them to return what we believe is illegally acquired.
Considering that the law is very explicit about this, that in applying for witness protection, restitution is not there, because restitution will come in only after the case has been resolved by the court. Only the court can determine how much.
Kasi nga meron silang gustong ano yun. Tignan mo kasi hindi pa nga naano si ano eh.
The civil liability is implied with restitution in the criminal prosecution. So, ma-abuse mo ang discretion mo dyan. Sapagkat hindi natin madidetermine. There can be abuse there. It's either excess or lack of jurisdiction. Let the law process take its course.
Inanon na nga niya eh.
Babaligtarin po ninyo ang nilalaman ng bansa. Mawawala po na.
Oo, babaligtarin.
To make clear. Thank you.
Binabaligtad. Okay. Wala na.
Anyway, we have all the time on Thursday.
Thursday ulit.
When I suspend at 3:20, we will have to come back here on Thursday at 9 o'clock. And we'll have the whole day to discuss all these things.
Okay.
Senator Risa,
Wala siyang masasabi. Binasa lang niya eh.
Sorry, Mr. Chair. Good Senator. Akala ko interjection dun sa line of questioning ko. Kasi meron po akong
hindi pa ba?
sa Quezon City.
Sa Thursday ka na lang kasamang Robin.
Patay tayo dyan.